Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. And the range continues, and it's just getting into a really tight range at the moment. So we've had a strong rally, and we are now going sideways. Now, the longer we go sideways, the higher the probability of a 50-50 chance of it breaking up or down. Okay, so just keep that in the back of your mind. So the longer this consolidation goes, that's pretty much what's happening. You can see tail to the downside, tail to the upside, tail to the downside, and then pretty much, let's call that a fat range bar. Tails down, tails up. So confusion continues. So this is pretty much consolidation. Now, if we move down to the 3 hour, you'll see a pretty clear picture of that. We are holding the moving average, but Friday there wasn't much movement to be expected. I think the important thing was there wasn't a sell-off or profit taking on Friday. So these bulls that got into this move here are still holding this at the moment. So I think the stop at the moment for the bulls is going to be 12,951. I think break through that, then you're obviously going to be looking for a move to the downside. We've still got this big gap to the downside as well. And you can see how this consolidation is just getting narrower and narrower and narrower. So what we mean by that is there's our consolidation there, and there's our other consolidation there. Okay, so it's coming into a triangle. Something is going to give shortly, and I'm not sure whether it'll be today, but this week sometimes something is going to give. If we look at the hour, that is sideways, above and below the moving average. I'm not interested in that at all. So I'm not even really interested in calling levels at the moment. This level to the upside is the critical one that needs to break and be retested, and that's 13,228. And that has been like that for a long time. Okay, so the first touch of that level was here, and that has been 88 days. So I don't believe that that's going to happen without some catalysts. We're going to need some catalyst to drive price above that level. So for me, for as long as it looks like this, it's barbed wire and no real direction, I'm not interested in this at all. Okay, so I'm sitting on the sidelines on the DAX until we get clear of more than likely this area to the upside, 13,228 to the upside, or alternatively 12,951 to the downside. Right now I'm purely neutral on this and not really interested in getting involved here. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me, short and sweet, and doesn't look like any of the indexes are offering any opportunities this morning, but typical Monday. But we will keep an eye on them during the US Open just to see what transpires. Anyway, hope it helps you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.